Merge. To combine or unite. Example: the two companies decided to merge and form a larger corporation. Withhold. To refuse to give something. Example: she decided to withhold information from the press. Detach. To remove or separate something. Example: he detached the cable from the TV. Forsake. To abandon or leave someone or something. Example: he forsook his old habits to lead a healthier life. Mug. To rob someone, especially using force. Example: he was mugged in the alleyway late at night. Mug up. To study intensively, for a short period. Example: I had to mug up on history for tomorrow's exam. Disgusting. Something that causes a strong feeling of dislike or revulsion. Example: the food had a disgusting smell. Inflame. To provoke strong feelings, often anger or passion. Example: his comments inflamed the audience. Nip. To pinch or squeeze, often quickly or sharply. Example: the dog nipped at my finger. Partake. To join or take part in an activity. Example: she was eager to partake in the festivities. Inaugura. To formally begin or introduce something. Example: the president was inaugurated at a grand ceremony. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.